Meet Carl Wyllie. For over 34 years, he has been a trusted retirement resource for individuals and families in Lincoln, Council Bluffs, and Omaha, Nebraska. Through free educational seminars and personalized consultations, Carl simplifies the complexities of retirement planning. He covers essential topics like Social Security strategies, Medicare choices, long-term care planning, annuities, life insurance, and safeguarding your retirement savings. Held in local libraries, Carl's seminars are designed to educate and empower. Attendees gain valuable insights into making informed decisions about their financial future, ensuring a more confident retirement. Carl's philosophy is straightforward. Retirement should be safe, secure, and stress-free. He has dedicated his career to ensuring clients never outlive their money and always feel informed about their future. Are you ready for personalized guidance from someone who truly cares? Meet Carl Wyllie, a trusted independent financial professional.